The squandering is aimed unapologetically at winning votes from constituents and communities for which the Pppc neglected for years.
Ministers Frank Anthony, Norman Whitaker, Pauline Sukai, Priya Manikchan, and Juan Hedgel, and Prime Minister Samuel Hines have been in the forefront of the pre-election spending spree.
Leader of the APNU, David Granger. Mr. Granger further stated that Minister of Culture, Youth and Sport, Dr. Frank Anthony, only this year, on the approach to elections, seemed to realize that the 125-year-old Georgetown City Hall was in danger of collapse and need major restoration.
He announced the administration's intention to expend $200 million to start work on the building.
Other ministers also came in for condemnation for using taxpayers' monies in their campaign spree, including Minister in the Ministry of Finance, Juan Hedgel, for suddenly wanting to complete the 1-mile primary school, the Upper Demerara Hospital, health care at Christiansburg, and nurses' hostel, among others.
In the second instance, the Minister in the Ministry of Local Government and Regional Development, Norman Whitaker, unilaterally launched a $500 million cleanup campaign, Clean Up My Country program, as an election stratagem in the city of Georgetown. Minister of Education, Priya Manikchan, waited over 6 months and is still to disburse the $10,000 grant promised to families of children at nursery, primary, and secondary levels. The financial grant was earmarked in the 2014 national budget early this year, long before the start of the new school year, when people really needed that grant.
Prime Minister Samuel Hines also attracted criticism for his elections campaign to Region 6, East Berbice Quarantine, with 1 laptop per family program, and his lavish promises that government will be installing road lights along the Quarantine Highway.
A Partnership for National Unity calls on the Guyanese people to be aware of the motives behind the PPP's massive spending spree. The PPP is squandering state funds, not its own money, to win support for its election campaign.